Welcome and Merry Christmas. Today is Christmas Day.
Christmas.
And as you guys probably, if I haven't greeted you, I delete all my social medias. Merry Christmas. So, as with any celebration, what do you need to do, Alex?
Make breakfast.
No. You gotta say Merry Christmas to your parents first. So, Merry Christmas, Mom and Dad.
Merry Christmas.
See,
But I did that.
life lessons. Family before food, Alex. And then you also need to have food, and in this in particular we're going to be making some breakfast. So unfortunately people are not satisfied with just receiving cereal for Christmas. No matter how much blood, sweat and tears you put into it, they don't like it. It's just unacceptable. So today I'm no longer Mini Nate, I'm Chef Gustaniel. So what are we making, world-renowned Chef Gustaniel? I'm making a dish that only 2 people in the entire world can make. First one being Yukita Soma. Second one is me, and that's it. That's literally the only 2 people. Yes, I'm making omelette souffle, guys.
Wow.
Even though there are only 2 people who know how to make this dish, I'm now sharing my secrets to you for free. So you better like and subscribe right now. Merry Christmas as well. So you want to make your boy happy, right? It's Christmas. And a great Christmas gift that you can give me is 5 likes, guys. I need 5 likes. Please. Here are the ingredients that you're going to need. Alright, now oh wait, I didn't even get all of it. Alright, so yeah, these are the ingredients that you're going to need. So the basic kind of ingredients, the rest are kind of just add-ons. The basic ones you're going to need is eggs. I don't know how much you need necessarily, because it will be really big, because the souffle is very fluffy. So we're gonna use 5 eggs for the 4 of us as a family. So 5 eggs. You're gonna need eggs. You're going to need sugar. You're gonna need salt, and that's all the basic things that you need. Everything else, all you gotta do is add on to it. So the experience is more of the texture rather than the flavor. But my parents like other stuff. And you know what? I like it too. So I'm gonna add some cheese. Thick block of cheese. Then we're going to need some tomatoes. You see that? Only chefs could do this. And we're gonna need some green onions. We need regular onions. Watch this. Oh, could have went in the oil, but I didn't, because I'm a chef. Then we gotta have some shrooms, healthy mushrooms, and bell peppers. And lastly, you're gonna need some. Oh, actually, you need the butter in this one too. I knew that. Yeah, you need to cook with butter because better flavor. Or butter flavor. Get the pun there? Better? More like butter?
Nope.
So first step, guys, we gotta cut all the vegetables. So let's do it. We gotta wash our vegetables first because we live in a different world right now, in a pandemic, and don't want to, catch something that you don't want. These are already washed. I know my dad already washed them. We gotta be careful about the next part, guys. If you're a kid, you're gonna need your parents' help, because trust me, this is not safe. So we're gonna do a little. Alright.
Wait, where are you gonna put them after?
Huh? In a bowl? Come on.
Where's the bowl?
After? Why? Are you a chef or something? Yeah, keep your camera up. That's what you are. You're a camera girl. So I'm just gonna slice the tomato in half, right? I forget how to cut tomatoes, to be honest. And I'm gonna cut tomatoes the way I normally cut my onions. So you take the knife, you see the form, right? The flick of the wrist, right? And take an incision. This is like being a doctor too. You see the skin? You just do a little stab, right? And then you, right. Don't reach all the way to the end, guys, because if you cut all the way through, it's gonna be hard to hold. Then you take your knife and you go the long ways. You see the long vibes. Then you take your knife again. Make sure you use the claw formation.
What's the claw formation?
Look at these, rawr, rawr. And then you go, yoink. Oh, just get a nice blade, huh?
What happened to the claw formation?
It's there. Look, rawr. There you go. Next, we're gonna cut the chives, the green onions. It's very simple, cause math. So what you wanna do is just go like that. Very simple, guys. Careful not to cut your fingers. You want some really tiny slices as well, cause big is not always better. Peep this. Peep the technique. And you know what? We're just gonna throw it all in the same, as any chef would do, because this is how top chefs do it. Bell pepper. I don't know how you gotta. You know how to do this, didn't you? Did this before? You got a bell pepper. Okay, maybe.
No, you cut. That's hot. You know, like. I mean, that's what the thing said, Rami.
Oh, why did you say so in the first place? I was testing, Alex. Finish.
No, not like that. Maybe
Like this?
No.
Like this?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
What's the difference between this and this?
Oh, well, I guess, but.
Anyways, I knew that, guy. Oh, jeez. It's enough bell peppers. We don't want too much of these. These things are kind of, you know, in flavor. Alright, so we take the knife and we just go, Oh, you see the vibes. You see the vibes. You see the vibes. Jeez. Made this with love and affection. Come on now. Onions vibe. Yo, you see the ogre vibes. And guess what? I ain't crying.
You're gonna cry eventually.
Not because of the onion, though. Alright, maybe we only need half. So,
What did you do?
you just throw it in there, huh? You think? And guess what, guys? I ain't crying yet. You see the vegetable vibes? You see that? You see all your vegetables? You're gonna be healthy. Okay, where's the grater? Ah, you see the grater vibes. Yeah,
I didn't get.
yeah, that's because you don't look. Cheese. Oh! You take the bowl and you grate the cheese, guys. You want a decent amount of cheese, but I'm lactose intolerant, so I'm not gonna eat too much of it. But my parents love the cheese. I actually like cheese. It's just that my stomach doesn't. Look at that.
We'll come back.
Yeah, we come back. Next, we want to prepare the eggs. How are we preparing the eggs, you ask? Separation anxiety.
What?
You want to separate the eggs yolk and the egg whites. So what you want to do, right? Alright, we take the top. You see the vibes? 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 You see that technique? Jeez, Daniel. Oh, chill. You kind of popped a bit. Yoy. Oh, no. Got a little bit of an imposter in here. And we just keep doing that for all the other eggs.
No.
So now that you have sliced all your vegetables, grate your cheese and you separated the yolks and the egg whites. Oh yeah, here's the hard part. Lots of mixing.
Why are you putting it in such a small bowl?
So we're gonna do that by hand. You see the vibes. You see the vibes. Mix. It's gonna take such a long time. My goodness.
So we're going to come back.
And when you see the bubbles, right? Put a little bit of salt in there. You do not put salt in the whites. Alright, next. Why is it so fast? Bro, I'm scared, bro. Wait, it goes fast first and then it slows down, right? You see the mix and vibes. Right. You see the bubbles, right? You see the bubbles. Gotta put sugar in. I eyeball that. I don't know how much sugar you're supposed to put in. We go back to mixing until they start peaking. This will take a while.
Eventually.
You know, guys, in life, sometimes before two can come together, you gotta first work on yourself. Why? Because, you know, sometimes it will be hard, stressful, long, frustrating, but eventually you're gonna reach your peak. Peep the peaking, fam. You see Mount Everest looking here. Oh shit. Yeah, so once it's kind of reached this consistency, I'm gonna go a little bit more. You want to then take the egg yolks and then mix them together, because now they've worked on each other so much that they can now collab together, you know what I'm saying? It's peaking, it's peaking, it's peaking. Cheers! Oh, this was better than last time. Next, you take the egg yolk, okay? And I think we just put it in, to be honest. Oh, jeez. That's not right. Quickly mix. You want to do that with a spoon because you want to keep the consistency. If you use a mixer, you're going to lose the consistency. You gotta be quick with it. See the technique, right? We're putting it underneath and over, under and over, under and over, under and over. And you want to get this unified look, guys. Once you see it all come together, see the unity. They're getting married. This could be us, but you playing or no? I'm joking, that's a joke. Fine. Then, turn on the heat. Yay! You want to go real hot at first because you want to get the pan hot. Come on, guys. You want to take a nice scoop of butter. Scoop.
That's too much.
No, it's not. Then, you want to mix that around, eh? Wait until that thing melts. And you want to coat the sides as well. Because if you don't do that, you're gonna get some burnage and you don't want to be burnt. You want this to be glistening, you know what I'm saying? So now we got the butter all around. Switch to low heat real quick. Then, while it's still in the consistency, you gotta carefully pour your mixture into the thing. Cheese! You see the vibes. Oh my goodness, bro. This looks like a cake. Flatten it. Flatten. You don't want it to be too poofy. Then, cover it. And you wait for 1 minute, guys. 1 minute.
Bye.
Later.
Okay, now that a minute has passed, we're gonna check. Now, normally, you won't have to do this if you're not adding any other toppings, but we are. You just sprinkle your things on top. Then, we're gonna add a toppings. Now, you gotta be light with it. Now, I'm not even sure if this is really gonna cook too much. Then, cover it again. Wait for another 2 minutes.
Much later.
How does he flip it, bro? This guy fully throws it in the air and flips it. Oh, you see the vibe. Now you see the nice browning on the top. Zoom in on that. You see the fluff. You see the sexy, bro, like me. Is this Gustaniel as a food? Okay, now you want to get the sides a little bit cooked because you want to seal that. So this is better than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, and no stickage. Oh, jeez. You see the jiggle, oh my gosh. Alright, so taste testing time. Mom, you gonna try it, Ma?
Yeah.
Alright. Hopefully the mushrooms are cooked.
It's good to get mushroom here.
What does it taste like, Ma? What is it?
Fluffy.
Fluffy?
Mm-hmm.
Is it cooked?
Mm-hmm. It's cooked.
Cooked?
Mm-hmm.
The mushroom?
Yeah. It is cooked.
Texture is good. Yeah, it's pretty good.
It tastes good.
Takes a long time to cook, but that's the life lesson, guys. Sometimes, you know, you could just be an omelet, but if you put more time, effort, blood, sweat, and tears into yourself, you could become a souffle omelet. And you get a better result, right, Ma?
Yeah, it's really good.
Ooh. Not bad.
Yeah.
Namin?
Oishi! Suge! Alright, well there you go, guys. Merry Christmas. That's the video. Guess we're gonna eat breakfast now. Oh, and also, guys, look. It snowed. It snowed. There you go. That's how you make omelet souffle. I'll see you guys in the next video, whenever that will be. Bye. Merry Christmas. I already said that. Bye.